Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and restarting the device. This clears temporary sensor states and blocked processes. Once done, clean both your finger and the sensor. Oil and moisture block capacitive reading, so use a lint-free cloth. Make sure to check system updates and the Touch ID settings. If a software patch is pending, install it now because firmware fixes often resolve recognition issues. These preparatory steps remove environmental and software causes before we re-enroll fingerprints. You should delete existing fingerprints and re-enroll fresh scans to recalibrate the sensor. When adding a fingerprint, place different parts of the finger and change angles and pressure. This trains the algorithm to recognize edges and partial touches. After each enrollment, test the sensor with a quick lock and unlock to verify success. Also review passcode fallback settings so you aren't locked out while troubleshooting. This methodical re-enrollment fixes most recognition problems caused by corrupted templates. If re-enrolling fails, reset security settings or perform a clean OS restore because corrupted system files can prevent the sensor from communicating properly. Inspect the device for hardware issues. Remove cases or screen protectors, look at moisture indicators, and check for dents near the sensor area. Physical damage matters. Once you rule out software, the sensor may need replacement. So, if problems persist, visit an authorized service center. One key troubleshooting tip: always test with a different finger to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.